Super Dave. In this hole. I'm in this hole. Nigga, I'm in a fire truck, nigga. Haunted house right now. We feel like we finna kind of catch some demons right now. We in a fucking fire station right now. Right now we just invaded a fucking fire station, man. Stop playing.
This one here, I went to a lady's house, right? And she gave me this, right?
Oh shit.
Her husband was a Chicago fireman,
Yeah.
and this was in the foyer of her house, and she asked me if I wanted it, right? So we brought it here, and we put it in there. Well, in the middle of the night, that light would come on. And they thought he was haunting this place because this mannequin's wearing his underwear, his undershirt, his socks, everything. His clothes, this mannequin is wearing. And they painted those flames in his eyes. His name was Finn.
Oh, so this is a real person?
Well, yeah, this was him right here.
Oh.
Him and her.
Ooh.
He was a Chicago fireman, and she wanted it out of her house because she thought it was moving.
Yeah.
And then when it got here, the guys were like, it was in there, and Miss Barb was like, that son of a bitch has got to get out of there.
Yeah.
So we put it here.
Yeah.
And he had a key hooked to a firebox that we couldn't get into, and it was on his mannequin.
So what about the fire hydrants back there?
Yeah, that's
something he...
they're from Chicago.
Okay.
That all came from his stuff,
So
Texas, and then when he died, then she done this because she missed it. There's parking pass.
Do she like own this place or?
No, she just gave this to me.
Oh, okay.
And I don't have anything fire department in my house. So, I do have a couple fire department things, just like my bell, when they give you, and then my pipe pole.
I don't want to touch anything in here, but this is y'all check. This is my first time in a fire station. What about you, Super Dave?
Yeah, I already been to the gym.
The gym?
Shit.
It's a gym.
Pat's office is, I think, all the way down there. I think the rooms are all the way over there.
Yeah.
I already been to the gym.
There's a tour in this motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Chad, man, I know this y'all first time in a fire station too, you heard me? Stop playing. We at Penderosa Fire Department. Everybody hit the subscribe button.
So during the day, that door can be locked, but then this door remains locked, so if somebody wants to come in, they can come in and they can talk to me again right here. It's my game room bathroom.
Shit. I fucking fired a fucking big ass fire truck, bro. Man, I'm in front of this bitch, nigga. Stop playing. Oh shit. Oh god damn it. Oh my god. In this hole. I'm in this hole. Nigga, I'm in a fire truck, nigga.
It's just like the video I watched with
Yeah. Nigga, I'm in a fire truck right there. You heard that little whistle shit going on? Whistle shit in here, nigga.
Bro, you all the way over there.
Oh shit. This hard.
Now look at the outside.
It's alright. I own this bitch right now, nigga. It's my shit. It's my truck. It's my truck. This whole set official. Yeah. Nigga bang, nigga Super Dave. Yeah. Yeah. I seen Super Dave do it first.
What, you gotta fish me out?
That's what he do, man. They call it swing with shit. That's dope. Yo, this is crazy, man. We in the fucking fire pit right now. With the head, the fucking head.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. That thing's dirty as hell. Ain't no telling, yeah, what kind of fire it's been. Did you get that out of the truck?
No.
It was up there.
Yeah. Oh, it was on top.
Yeah, all kind of carcinogens in there.
Where you get it from, Dave? Put the gloves on.
They're up there. It was like on the dash. Right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there.
We in this bitch, man. So when can I test drive this? It's crazy.
Wow. Cascades is breathing air. Oh, irritates. Oh, shit.
Can I see how heavy this is?
Oh, God damn it. It happens, man. You're in the country. Hey, Dave, why you put that on camera?
Man, that shit fly, bro.
Let's see what you're scared of.
How much you think it weighs?
It look like it's about 55, 60. It's like 40,
No.
25. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
100.
No.
Oh.
No, it's only like 17 pounds. 17?
Wait, 70 pounds?
Oh, God damn it. So you can do this motherfucker weighing back like that? Some of them weigh, I mean, it depends on the air pack too. Oh, that shit like that.
Oh, hell no, y'all strong motherfuckers.
Mm-hmm.
That's not the only thing they
God.
put on.
And then not only that,
That's the last thing they put on.
your suit, your boots, your
Yeah, you
hat.
put about 50, 60 pounds on it.
Hell
Once
yeah.
once you put the gear on.
Then you gonna be already at 170 degrees and
Oh, he tried to jump. Gonna get in there, super. They're gonna get in there.
It's on.
What's that?
I'm sorry.
Like you like a steam room?
Can I open it?
Yeah.
What is that? A steam room?
Oh shit.
Yeah, you can open it.
How do I open it?
Pull it.
Roll it up.
Oh, like it's just a steam. Oh, that shit hot. A sauna? That's what it's called. Like you just like go in there and just
Somebody
a steam room.
Somebody was
basically.
recently.
You just get all the.
Or is it always hot? Oh, it's already at 108.
Oh shit! It's 100.
Oh, is it to get y'all like used to being here?
No, it's to, you get on the bike and you sweat and you get all the carcinogens out of your body.
I need that.
Carcinogen. When you say that, that's from like the smoke.
Yeah.
All y'all have to do.
Let's do that tomorrow.
Wait, so what's this hose right here for this kid to get in? What's it like charging it? The battery? Oh,
So this is the operator, the engine operator, which is EOA, no DOA. The driver of the truck, he comes back here and operates this. He flips the pump on, he comes on. This is your intake and this is your discharge. It's like a bank, okay? This goes up, and this one goes up, this one goes up, okay? So they're usually about 50 pounds. He starts cranking this up, things start dropping. So he's gonna watch. It's like a bank, so you can't spend more money than what you have in the bank. So then you gotta start controlling it.
like on a game and shit, they be having like the water extinguisher up there. They can shoot out water. Yeah.
So what the guy does, he comes out, turns it on, he puts this, and he remote controls it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Damn. That's tough.
This is a TFT nozzle.
That shit like a grenade launcher.
Yeah. It's about $1,300.
Damn.
So how heavy this is? It's heavy.
Oh yeah, it got some pound to it.
And they're all rated different. they tell you right here what they're rated for. So what they'll do is they'll come on, they'll put anywhere from 95 to 125 or 150. Those are antique airbags. Here's an ambulance.
Shit. Ambulance. Who are those?
These are all compliant.
Yes, sir. Oh shit. They know you're the captain here, right? How you doing, buddy? Shit, cool, man. Can I step on it? Sure. Oh!
The only time I've been
Oh,
down
shit.
is when I broke my ankle.
Oh shit.
I'm long story.
Fucking
This
thing,
way you
bro.
sit when they operate everything. Oh fuck.
Not for me.
Nah, fact. Nah, you're right though. You're right. You're right.
Yeah, let me get out of here.
Even, I'm not sitting down, but I'll be in
here
here.
one time. And I'm
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh shit. You can tell those geezers something anytime, right? You can tell those geezers something anytime.
Different agents.
Oh. Okay.
There's my fire.
Right.
We work together. But you know, they actually have a chore list just like the guys here.
Right.
being a firefighter, it's
No,
like
but-
this is your first home, basically. You know what I mean?
fact,
So it's
it's
like
home.
being here is like I'm home.
No,
There's no
fact.
need to even rush to try to
Real
get
shit.
home.
There's props in there. Downstairs is a stove prop, and then upstairs is a bed prop, which is a double-sized bed, and it's all ran by this here. When they come in, right?
Cool.
Oh god.
So yeah, it's actually cool.
The AC. Oh, right there. Okay.
So it's even like the radios. Like I said, the air packs were stripped down naked. So there's not all the shit. These radios have been stripped down. So they won't transmit like other radios. So we can't get on a different channel and play.
So it's for
training
purposes
purposes.
only.
This is a dead man switch.
Okay.
The operator, the safety guy will hold this down. As long as this button's held down, those fire props will continue to burn with this guy here. If he lets off, they shut off. So if you see something going wrong, this is a rollover switch. The rollovers are in there. And then what they do is they shoot fire across those.
I'm off to not turn on AC.
Yeah, do not turn
And
off.
what happens if you turn off the AC?
This is an iPad, a giant iPad.
Oh, okay. It's going to overheat.
Right. I can't turn it on because that thing would go.
Yeah, I understand.
And it's all temperature controls here, so we can tell how hot the building is, and then we have a secondary temperature because one time we got it up too high, like freaking 1,500 degrees, and melted some helmets. So we have two different temperatures.
Wait. So if the helmets can melt, why did y'all get upgraded
Your
helmets?
face mask can start melting at over 300 degrees. This is a piece of shit.
Damn, that's the real deal. Axe
What is
right
that?
there,
It's a valve.
Shit. This is structure.
Oh, you're gonna love what's in the back. Remember all that wood I took from over there? They bring it, they put it in here, and they practice breaking this door open. And it's just like getting into a house. You don't even want to go out there.
Oh shit.
Set this place on fire.
Oh shit.
Nah, this is
So
scary.
that's your burn prop right here. And higher the fire will come higher. And then that button I showed you, when he pushes that, what happens is that gas goes across the ceiling and come back around in the back.
He is in burning building right now.
So the firemen will be here extinguishing the fire, and then you'll have safety officers supposed to be located at each doorway. So if something happens, all they do is hit this switch, and it shuts everything down. It turns on the fans here in the corner, and it starts ventilating the system. This is called paginite. This shit's very
I was
expensive.
just gonna say.
Yeah, it's the shit that they put on the space shuttle back in the day. It's just a chop board.
But right now, guys,
Burning buildings, man. This is like a haunted house right now. We feel like we're finna, trying to catch some demons right now.
This is a solid door. But
This
it's
shit feel like I'm in a chamber.
but it's solid paginite.
Is this what jail feels like?
This is what the Holocaust feel. This is what the Holocaust feel like.
I don't remember half this shit around here.
No, the Holocaust
This
feel
is
like.
this is what the Holocaust feel like.
How was you?
I never been there, but I just seen pictures and videos like and like they just like in chambers like this down there. You know what I'm saying? Gas, compressed things like this.
Nah, for real, man, the gas comes from out
That
that team. shit.
Oh, no, several. What they did, they were called shells. This is a smoke machine. So what happens is there's a smoke machine down here, which is kind of like this, but a larger scale.
Fucking dead bodies right here.